NOSIL Limited is the best intraday stock for the 19th April 2021. This is the short sell stock. As the chart you can see here, this is the stock analysis of NOSIL Limited chart. You can see, let us see the chart. This is the 1-day chart. Here each candle represents 1 day. Here you can see this, the candle has been turned into red, that is bearish movement. Here the indicator is also cutted. Here MACD is down, and here the volume also decreased. You can see here RSI also below 50, that is 49. You can see here it's a cut between the EMAs, and it broke the resistance, that is 170. There is above 171.18 resistance. It may down again. I think it may reach up to 161 is the support, nearest support in the daily chart. It may down again today also, I think. You can see here in this 15 minutes candle chart, you can see here also the down as the parabolic symbol, that is you can see parabols are also showing down. Here the resistance that is the support of the candle has been broken, and here is the 172.45 the support in 15 minutes chart. If 172.45 also breaks down, then it will definitely go for a down up to 170. You can short sell here. Here a bearish movement can taken place, so you may take a chance for booking profits. Don't go blindly, but cross check yourself. First check this chart. If you think it will go, then you can buy, or else you can leave. But in 15 minutes it's showing parabols are up, but may down if this resistance breaks. That is, it's not resistance, guys. Here is the support has been break at 173. You can see clearly the support has been break at 173. Now it may go up to 172 down, or even below of the 170 also. The resistance broke at 173.20, that is the support has been broken at the 170.30. You can see this is the support has been broken and is been gone down. Now it will go up to here, I think so. You can short sell here. Short sell here and book your profits if possible. In 1-day chart, you can see here is the resistance, that is 177.18. Yesterday it touched the resistance and gone down again. Now it may go up to 155 in daily chart, you can see. So be careful before trading in this. Check yourself whether it will up or down. Okay, subscribe my channel if you like this video, if this happens. Okay, thank you.